Hello everyone. Why can't we speak English? Why can't we speak English? The the simple reason is Hindi in our native language. Why can't we speak English? The simple reason is the Hindi is our native language. That's why we think in Hindi all day. That's why we think in Hindi all day. We don't think in English, and that is why cannot we speak English fluently. So first of all, we have to start thinking. We have to start thinking English from today. From today, this is the reason of this is the real solution. This is the real solution. Whatever whatever words whatever words we use in daily life, we should speak English them in English. Speak them in English, guys. Whatever words we use in daily life, we should speak English. We should speak them in English. Okay, so I hope you all are doing great and learning English in the great way. Okay, so today's video is I am going to share with you a lot of things reading the English language. So if you want to hear and learn, then watch this video till the end. Before starting sharing with you all tips, I want to share with you some other things too. Actually, I am recording this video is the sunset. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Can you believe? To be honest, I am recording my video after sunset, and then I record many videos. I found those were not of the mark. And why didn't it happen today? Let me tell me you let me tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. For me, it was a very difficult as a beginner. When I start recording my video, I started recording my I start starting my recorded my video recording my. So guys, in today video we are going to talk about very important topic like thing. Many people think that in English English is very easy, but that is not real. That is not true. That is not true. It is not our native language, guys. We have to work hard, give it a lot of time, and love. Only only them will be able to learn this language. Learning English takes patience, practice, and consistency. If you practice daily, if you, if you practice daily, you will definitely improve your English. At the same time, try to learn English by speaking. Try to learn try to learn English by try to learn English by speaking, because we learn English faster when we speak it. Because we learn English faster faster when we speak it. Okay, speaking practice helps you learn English language. The more you speak English, the faster you improve. After that, at the same time, you should think about daily life sentences in English, and them speak loudly. Try to think and speak in English during your daily routine. This habit will improve your English speaking skill. We have to start thinking English from today itself. From today onward, think in English. As well as learn English, we should listen English video and English podcast daily. I learned something from social media, which I can learning from mobile, and new things like I want to learn English. You want to learn English, you should help you should help give you should have take social media, uh, mm, improve your English. Okay, that's all for today. So hey guys, take care and bye bye. If you like my video, then share, subscribe and like my video. That's all for today. Thank you so very much watching this my video. Take care, bye bye.